Hey, boys and girls, Miss Stevens here. I wanted to come today to show you some place value fun. On my whiteboard here, I have a tens and a ones side. Now, when we talk about numbers, it's important that we know numbers have a place. Just like everybody has a place in the classroom, we also have a place with numbers. So I'm going to try to do a smaller number, and we're going to work our way up. So if we're looking at the number 19, okay, look at that number 19. And I want to look at this first digit here, the 9, okay? What place is that 9 in? Is it in the tens place, or is it in the ones place? What do you think? Well, if you said ones place, you're correct. This number 19, that means in the number 19, there are 9 ones. So in this one side, I'm going to draw 9 ones here. 1, remember ones are small. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I'm showing 9 ones. Okay, now let's look at the number 1. Is the number 1 in the tens place or in the ones place? Now, if the number 9 is in the ones place, the number 1 can't be in the ones place too. So the number 1 is in the tens place. This means there is 1 10 in the number 19. So on my 10 side, I am going to draw out my 10. That's 1 10. Now I'm showing 1 10. Is that correct? 1 10. And how many ones? 9 ones. So if I were to count that number up, so you can see the whole thing. If I were to count that number up, I would say 10, because that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Does that match the number that we have on top? 19. Yes, it does. Let's do another one real quick. So let me erase my stuff. Miss Stevens actually had this board donated from a friend. All my stuff is in my classroom and they won't let us in, so I had to get fancy, and somebody donated this to me because they knew I needed it for you guys. So I appreciate that so much. Let's look at another number. I'm going to do the number. I'll do a bigger number. Let's do it in black. What is my number? 36. 36 is my number. Now, I need to look at my 6, and I need to decide, is that 6 in the tens place or the ones place? Remember, the number all the way to the right is in the ones, so that tells me how many ones I have. So I am going to use my fancy notes here. I need 6 ones. 1. It's going to take me a second to pull these apart. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I have 6 ones. Now, let's look at my next number, 3. Is my 3 in the tens place or in the ones place? It's in the tens place. So my 3 is in the tens place. So I need 3 tens. Now remember, my rods are worth 10. They're long. So here I have, how many do I need? I need 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's just check and make sure I have this correct. I have 3 tens, is that correct? 1, 2, 3, yes. And I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now when I count these, remember because the 3 is in the tens place, I need to count those by tens. And the 6 is in the ones place, so I need to add on and count those by 1. So let's practice. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Is my number correct? I have 36 base 10 blocks, 3 and 6. 36. 3 tens and 6 ones. Yes? Awesome job. We're going to do one more quick one, and then I'm going to show you your activity for the day. I created the activity with a dice. It's actually going to be very, very fun. So hang on. Let me think of a number real quick. I'm going to pause the video. Hold on. All right, guys, here's my number. My number is going to be 73. My number is 73. Now, this is a big number. This is very close to 100. So I want you to think for a minute. I'm going to give you just a second. Maybe you have some things that you can play with at home. Maybe you can use pretzels, or maybe you can use jelly beans, pretzels for the tens, jelly beans for the ones, or you can do like Miss Bartlam did, get some sticks and some rocks. And I want you to build the number 73, okay? I'm going to give you a minute. You can pause the video, build the number 73, and then push play once you've built it and see if yours matches mine, okay? So go ahead and pause the video, see if you can build 73. And make sure your tens and your ones are on the correct side. Your tens are going to be on the left and your ones are going to be on the right. Okay, we want to always make sure they're in the right place. Okay? All right, guys, here we go. 73. Let's look. What place is the 3 in the number 73? Is it in the ones place or the tens place? Because that's going to change the value of the number if you put it in the wrong spot. Okay, if you have 3 ones, that is correct. 3 is in the ones place. So let me build my 3 ones here. 1, 2, and 3. All right, very nice. I have 3 ones. Did you get 3 ones? I hope so. And let's look at my 7. Is my 7 in the tens place or is it in the ones place? My 7. It is in the tens place. So how many tens will I need? Did you have 7 tens? Did you build 7 tens? Let's see. Let's build them together. And then we can count and make sure we have the right number. So I need 7 of those because the number in the tens place is a 7. 1. Oops, my sticky's coming off. 2. Other side. 3. 4. I have more right here. 5. Whoop. 6. Wow, look at all those tens. And 7. I'm just going to count and make sure I have that correct. So I should have how many tens? I should have 7 tens. Remember, my tens are the long rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is correct. And how many ones do I need? I'm just checking my work to make sure I have it correct. It's very important to check your work. I should have 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Now, who remembers how to count these? Do I count these by ones or tens? If it's in the tens place, I need to count those by tens. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now I go over to the ones. I have 70, 71, 72, 73. Do my rods and ones match my number, 73? Yes, it does. So that is correct. Now you're going to get to practice on your own. I hope you got 73, 7 tens, and 3 ones when you did this on your own. Stay tuned and watch the next video, and I will show you what to do on your game. Bye, guys.